Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be playing Minecraft. I'll just drop this world. This world's that's my really good world that I've been checking on for a while. Let's go, let's build. I blew up my friend's house, so it's fine. Oh, shoot. No. I'm going to make a vending machine. So, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a vending machine. So, first, what you need is some glass. Where is it? I haven't played Minecraft in so long. Dispenser. That's a dropper. A laver. What else do you need? Oh yeah, you also need any wool of your choice. I'm gonna go with black. So with your wool of your choice, you wanna go 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Then what you wanna do, you wanna delete this one. Go too high like that. Dispenser. How much longer? Oh. Alright. Now that you've done that, you can put glass all around. It's going to be fairly big. You're going to put, and you want to get a dispenser. Wait, no, not a dispenser. Any pressure plate. I want to work. Hold on. Okay. Oh yeah, you want to put this. Oh, I forgot. And then place your pressure plate. Do this. Yeah. You want to get your black wool. You want to get your black wool. It's what happens when you've never played Minecraft for a long time. And there we go. Then when you get our food, you can choose any food of your choice. I'm gonna get 3 foods. Let's go golden apple. Wait, no. Let's go something that they would have in a concession stand. They'd have a cookie in a concession stand. I've seen one with an apple before. And I guess fish. No, not cooked fish. No, cooked salmon. Who doesn't like salmon? But I hate how slow it takes for all these dispenser crap to do. There we go. There we go. Oh, yeah. So now when you get your golden nuggets, which is basically money or emeralds, whichever one you think is money in Minecraft. Oh shoot, you gotta get it like in the hole. Go. There we go. And it'll fire you whatever you want. And there is a tutorial on how to do that in your very own world. This took no mods